Welcome to the Woodlands. I am Michelle Flory with Michelle Flory & Company, a 5-member real estate team affiliated with RE/MAX The Woodlands in Spring, specializing in buying and selling homes in the Woodlands and the immediate surrounding area. The Woodlands is a township with approximately 125,000 residents and offers single-family homes, brownstones, townhomes, and condos. Our homes range in price from the $100,000s to over $10 million. Come join me and enjoy over 100 parks, 200 plus miles of hike and bike paths, numerous ponds, a small lake, 14 area swimming pools, sports courts, 7 golf courses, shops, restaurants, and the Cynthia Woods Mitchell Pavilion and more. The Woodlands offers something for everyone. If you are buying a home, we offer buyer's representation to ensure your needs are met, including not only finding a home for you with today's low inventory, but securing that home and obtaining the best possible price. And if you are selling a home, we offer enhanced marketing services utilizing the newest technology available today and will assist you at obtaining the highest price for your home. Having lived in this area for over 30 years, we work here, we play here, we shop here, we dine here, and we sell homes here. Let us know how we might be able to serve you.